What's going on, everybody? My name is Trent Sowers from All Things Automotive. Thanks for clicking that play button, because today we're going to look at a 2019 Nissan Sentra in a nice almost burgundy dark red with metallic flake in the paint here. And we'll get into the used car mechanical check sheet and the Carfax here shortly, but I wanted to start in the front with the nice attractive Nissan grille broken up by the lower grille here. And as always, the All Things Automotive plate in the front. High intensity headlamps. And as we work our way around the car here, we'll check the tread depth here, like new tires all the way around, as well as fresh oil change, brake pads, rotors, all the good stuff. Should be 9/32 on the tires all the way around. Front and rear pads are good, so all green, all good. Looking into the vehicle, you can see it's pretty straightforward interior, very attractive here with the brushed accents here, the brushed chrome or aluminum accents with the chrome door handle here throughout the whole vehicle. Just taking a peek into the back seat here. A lot of room, a lot of leg, hip and shoulder room here for rear occupants. Let's pop the hood, and as you can see, plenty of cargo space back here for a compact sedan. This particular Nissan Sentra is the SV trim, so you're going to have some nice options with this vehicle. Just give you a view from the driver's side here. Again, a lot of space back here, guys. Seats 5 comfortably. As you can see, the nice chrome door handles here with a passive entry. It does come with 2 keys for your added convenience. So these are proximity keys. So this vehicle is going to have your push button start. Like so. So let's get into the Carfax, guys. So because we are transparent and up front here at All Things Automotive, it does have a moderate accident, so we'll take a look at that. Looks like front left here, but it is repaired and checked over by our mechanics, so everything is good to go, so you can buy with confidence here. Just under 30,000 miles on the 19 Sentra. Let's take a look at some of the features here. You have your eco mode here, traction control on and off. Do have powered mirrors and powered windows as well. Going on to the onboard controls on the steering wheel here, you can see you have your source button for your audio, and you have your toggle for your menu and your center screen here. You can work through all your settings and customize it to however you would like. And to the right, you have your cruise control on and off, and your Bluetooth settings here, or your Bluetooth controls here for your center stack here, which we'll go over. Nice clean and clear display here. This vehicle is equipped with backup camera. Also wanted to mention this vehicle is equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so that makes it very convenient. Climate control here, pretty straightforward there. 12 volt and some storage in the center here. As we work our way down, you can see that you do have heated front seats with 2 settings here in the front, cup holders, and nice deep storage here in the center console with an auxiliary and a USB, and that's how you access your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Moving up here, we have not lighted vanities, but you do have vanities on both here. Okay, do have an operational sunroof here. You can vent it, or you can pull that baby back. Enjoy the views. Alright, and as I'm sitting here, I can tell you guys, I'm not a very small man, and I have a lot of leg room. Very comfortable in this compact to mid-size sedan, I'd say. And actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this back on, because we're going to do the under the hood segment. You can find the hood latch located to the left of the steering wheel, and as well as your fuel tank releases. The light hits this paint just right. You can see all the metallic in it. It's very nice. Okay, you can see nice clean engine compartment here, clean of debris. You can see there's no evidence of exhaust or oil leaks or anything like that. Nice quiet running motor. We like to test all our batteries and make sure everything is in good running order for you. Let's take a look at the Carfax here. See, 1.8 liter 4-cylinder motor, very reliable motor for the Nissans here. I'll just give you a little overview of the car here. Last portion of the video, we're going to go over any imperfections the car may have, dents, dings, or anything like that. We like to make them as clean as possible, but they are used cars, so we like to be upfront and transparent about that. But I will tell you, I don't see I haven't found a dent or ding yet. Oh, maybe there's like a light scratch there on the trunk there. And I'll tell you what, if you were to find anything, it'd be on a day like today where the sun's shining. A little imperfection here, driver's side on the rear quarter panel here. Just a little blemish there. Other than that, guys, a very clean car. I'll even go and check out the seats here. No rips, stains, tears, or odors. Was a non-smoker car. No odors in here. You can see, looks like some light scuffs on the headliner, but no rips or tears or anything like that. Very clean vehicle here, guys. So there's a couple ways you can get a hold of us here at All Things Automotive. You can call 717-485-4224, hit option 1 for sales, or you can go to allthingsautomotive.com. You can shop online 24/7, or even get yourself pre-approved, or come out to 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video informational. Again, my name's Trent. Hope to see you soon.